Hello everyone, this is Homa and welcome to North Vancouver City Library Summer Reading Club 2020 Explore Our Universe. This week is week 4 and we start with singing, writing, creating some crafts and enjoy it. Okay, let's start singing a song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but in different version. I want you to wiggle your fingers or kind of say twinkle twinkle it, and we do it together. Twinkle twinkle little star, what a special friend you are. From your heads to your toes, we are special friends, you know. Twinkle twinkle little star, what a special friend you are. Good job. Okay, it's now to say Hocus Pocus. Everyone focus. I want you to put on your focus goggles on and look at me truly and listen to me carefully. Okay, why? Because I'm going to read a book. It's called If Pluto Was a Pea. The book is Canadian book and is written by Gabrielle Prendergast and illustrated by Rebecca Gerlings. That's a solar system. And we start reading. Pluto is much smaller than the other planets. That's why it's called a dwarf planet. But how much smaller is it? If Pluto was a pea, 0.64 centimeters or 25.25 inches, the sun would be a tenth, 4 meters or 13 feet. If Pluto was a pea, Mercury would be a marble, 1.4 centimeters or half of inches. If Pluto was a pea, Venus would be a ping pong ball, 3.4 centimeters or 1.3 inches. If Pluto was a pea, the Earth would be a golf ball, 3.52 centimeters or 1.4 inches. If Pluto was a pea, Earth's moon would be a blueberry, 0.92 centimeters or 0.36 inches. If Pluto was a pea, Mars would be an acorn, 1.9 centimeters or 3/4 of inches. If Pluto was a pea, Jupiter would be a beach ball, pretty large, big, 40 centimeters or 15.75 inches, very big. If Pluto was a pea, Saturn would be a pumpkin, 33 centimeters or 13 inches. Can you spot the pumpkin? Yeah, you find it, I know. Here you are. If Pluto was a pea, Uranus would be a melon, 14.27 centimeters or 5.6 inches. Lots of melons in here we have. And if Pluto was a pea, Neptune would be a grapefruit. I love grapefruit. 13.76 centimeters or 5.4 inches. 5.4 inches. Is Pluto smaller than everything? in the solar system? No. If Pluto was a pea, her own moon, Charon, would be an apple seed, 0.3 centimeters or 0.12 inches. If Pluto was a pea, Pluto's other moons, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, would be like grains of sand. Very tiny, it's tiny in here. If Pluto was a pea, Pluto's smallest moon, Styx, would be too small to see. And you would be much, much smaller than that, but still not too small to think big thoughts and do great things. Here you are. So what's the purpose of the book? The purpose of the book is the P is a benchmark measurement to understand the relationship of sizes of planets. So you understand how big Jupiter or Venus in comparison to Pluto. This book is good for ages 5 to 8 years old. I recommend it to read it and enjoy reading it. Now let's go and have some activity together. For this week activity, I made a fruit salad, but this is a planet fruit salad. How are you going to do it? You can use your fruits at home, or you can use any materials that you can find it at home. It shouldn't be supposed to be only fruits. You can make it from anything that you can find it at home. But if it's fruit, I thought about it that if Pluto was peppercorn, what happened to other planets? Can you make a decision about that one? And can you create it? I will be happy to know more about it. What I made it in here, as you can see, when Pluto is peppercorn, the Mercury can be pea in here. Then Venus would act as a grape. Earth is a cherry tomato. Mars is blueberry. And watermelon acts as a Jupiter. How big it is. Grapefruit, Saturn, and Uranus would be apple. And Neptune like a lime, and Pluto as a peppercorn. Do you want to try it at home? Let us know. Enjoy your Summer Reading Club Week 4.